Installing your new seat covers couldn't be any easier. In some vehicles, seat covers may require small modifications, but this video will show you all the steps for a simple install and provide you some useful tips and tricks along the way. The rear covers have two sections. Each section is labeled and the features are clearly visible. Attached is a clear plastic bag with metal clips, and you will notice elastic loops, buckles, and straps. Starting with the backrest, you will notice the buckles are on top, loops are on the left and right, and the adjustable straps are on the bottom. Begin by stretching the cover around the left and right side. Then, tuck the straps through the bottom crevice. And from the back side, pull the straps up from the crevice and feed the straps through the buckles to secure the backrest cover in place. Now, you have two options to secure the covers. Attach a metal clip to the loops on the left and right sides. Option 1. Attach the clips to the straps on the back side to secure the cover in place. Option 2. Attach the metal clips to the tether bars, if equipped, to secure the fabric in place. Leave the straps slightly loose so you can make adjustments when the install is complete. Now, your vehicle may have removable headrests or non-removable headrests. You have two options to secure the fabric to the top of the backrest. Option 1. For removable headrests, use scissors to cut an X opening in the cover, and then tuck the fabric around the holes in the base. Option 2. Feed the fabric under the headrest base and tuck securely in place. Tighten the adjustable buckle straps and slip the headrest covers on. Now here's how to install the bench bottom. First, stretch the fabric over the rear bench seat. Tuck the straps through the crevice, then pull them from under the seat to the front and secure the covers in place with the adjustable straps. If there is no space under your vehicle's seat bottom, then you can simply feed the straps into the crevice and tuck any remaining fabric under the seat bottom. Use a metal clip in each loop and attach it to the underside of the seat for an extra snug fit. To gain access to the seat belt buckles, you will need to make small slits near the buckle. Then, tuck the fabric securely into the crevice and around the buckle. That's it! Now you can protect your vehicle's interior in style and comfort with your easy-to-install flat cloth seat covers.